Hello, brothers and sisters. Let's reflect on the life of Jesus Christ as a human being. Like us, let's walk with Him through His journey from birth to resurrection. In this Holy Week, let's relive the moment of His life, His teaching, His miracles, and His ultimate sacrifice. Let's remember His love, compassion, and forgiveness. Join me as we explore the life of Jesus and let's draw closer to Him. Let's remember His word, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John chapter 14, verse 6. Amen.